Hi, it's Dr. David Greene, founder and CEO of R3 Stem Cell, the global leader in regenerative cellular therapies. Today, I'm at R3 India, which is one of our newest centers in Asia. And I want to go through our pricing. I can't even reach the top of this, but our pricing, I like to be very transparent. All right, I think it's only fair that patients should know what our pricing is. So let's look at the columns here on this beautiful chart. The cells is going to be in millions, all right, 25, 50, so on and so forth. The pricing is going to be in INR. Whether or not you get free exosomes, multivitamin therapy. We also offer a free buffet for certain packages. And then PRP, which stands for platelet-rich plasma therapy. All right, so let's go through the chart. We start at 25 million stem cells. What is that good for? Well, if you have a degenerative joint, whatever that may be, or we're going to do a basic IV drip for stem cells, 25 might do the trick, all right? That's 1.75 lakhs. You don't get free exosomes with that one. We do a multivitamin therapy, no free buffet, but you do get free PRP. That's where we take a little bit of blood and we spin it to concentrate your growth factors. It helps activate the stem cells faster. So everybody gets a free PRP, all right? Everybody gets a free multivitamin therapy. So that's a really nice value add. Nobody else does that, okay? We do a large volume around the world, so I like to add as much value as I can to help with the outcome. So 50 million stem cells comes in at 2.9 lakh. You do get 25 billion stem cell exosomes. I love using stem cells and exosomes together for patients. The outcomes are much better. And then once again, you get a free multivitamin, free PRP. Okay, now when you go up to 100 million stem cells, that's our most popular treatment regimen. Why? Well, a lot of conditions that people come in with, they do really well with at least 1 million stem cells per kilogram, or maybe 1.5. So if you weigh like what the average person weighs, for a male, it's about 170 pounds. That's about 80 kilograms, give or take. A lot of times we'll round that to 100. And if it's, let's say you weigh 60 kilograms, and we need to do 1.5 million stem cells per kilogram, you're also at 100. So that's 5.2 lakhs. You get 50 billion stem cell exosomes and the multivitamin and the PRP, all right? Let's go up to 125 million stem cells. That comes in at 6.2 lakhs. Once again, 50 billion stem cell exosomes, a multivitamin, and the PRP. So at 150 million stem cells, things get a lot more interesting, all right? That comes in at 7.4 lakhs. You get 75 billion stem cell exosomes, a free multivitamin. We do a free buffet at a 5-star hotel for 2 people. And once again, PRP, okay? 175 million stem cells is going to be 8.2 lakhs, 75 billion stem cell exosomes, free multivitamin, free buffet at a 5-star, and then free PRP as well, okay? Now, 200 million stem cells. We don't give 200 million stem cells in one treatment session. That's too much. We split it up. In fact, quite a few of these we'll end up splitting up for you. We don't charge for extra clinic days. We don't charge for the specialists that come in. The amount you see here is what you'll pay, okay? We're not trying to nickel and dime anybody. I mean, I think you can see that with the way we've set this up, all right? So it may be that you get this in 2 treatment sessions. It could be 3. We want to do what's going to be the most effective and the safest, all right? So that's 9.35 lakhs, 100 billion stem cell exosomes, and then everything else, the free multivitamin, the free buffet, and the free PRP, okay? And then 250 million stem cells. You don't have to use this all in one session, okay? okay? We'll have to break it up. It could be break it up by a few days. It could be a week later. It could be a month later. We'll work that out, with you or your family. Comes in at 11 lakhs, 100 billion stem cell exosomes, and the free multivitamin, PRP, and the buffet, okay? Now, lastly, you can see here 100 billion. It's not 100 billion stem cells, it's 100 billion stem cell exosomes. For some patients, it might be for an anti-aging therapy, it could be for diabetes, it could be for neurologic issues, something like that. This is a very cost-effective option because we are probably the largest user of exosomes in the world, okay? So this is 3 lakh. You don't get free exosomes because you're already getting 100 billion, and then the free multivitamin and PRP, okay? Now, why are we exposing all of this? Because most clinics in India won't show you their pricing at all, right? Once again, I think it's only fair that you should know this ahead of time, all right? Now, how do we back up our pricing? Well, first of all, safety. We use safety quality control that is more than what the FDA in the United States requires, all right? We test it for sterility, communicable diseases, bacteria, virus, fungus, endotoxin. We've done over 24,000 procedures in the last 10 years, and we've had a very, very good safety record, all right? Having said all that, we will price match any comparable, quotation that you get, all right? If it's apples to apples, we'll price match it because we know that you're gonna get better treatment with us than anywhere else, all right? We do offer free virtual consultations, so give us a call. The number will be in the description and on the screen. Thank you so much for watching.